Well, thank you very much for watching Philippine Toy Review. I'm now featuring to Hot Wheels Toyota Tundra or Tundra. Don't know how you would pronounce that, but if you're from America or from England, you can pronounce it properly. So much for that. Anyways, let's focus on the material itself. By the way, this guy here was bought as a loose model kit on a recently concluded 2012 toy convention at the SM Mega Mall, and this guy's very cheap. As I can see here, this is not much. I don't know. I don't feel the die-cast feeling or material on this guy, and it doesn't have a very well detailed Toyota logo on it. It's just have the oval thingy, but the letter T itself doesn't have an embossed mark on it. And the mags here are very childish. It's colored black, although there's some blue parts in it, some chrome in it. Generally, it looks like it's very childish practically. And we have some printing here like Tundra or Tundra and Brother Dave's Racing. All in all, it still has the Hot Wheels feeling on it. I mean, feel the smooth drive of this. It's very smooth drive in comparison to the what do we have here? Oh, I'm still trying to see. By the way, yeah, this is a Tomica Hino truck. And if you're going to, oops, yeah, it has this well, relatively, this is a die-cast material only with plastic here on the trailer part, but with this one, there's a very smooth approach, very smooth run. In comparison, this is very heavy. See? Well, I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but yeah, this is a very lightweight material that Hot Wheels have produced or manufactured. It is manufactured in Malaysia, and yeah, not much of a feeling or a gimmick that makes it a standout. But yeah, it's still a good model scale. Again, if you're a fan of Hot Wheels, yeah, it's cool. Alright, so thank you very much for standing by, and don't forget to leave a comment on this page. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.